Hi, I'm Adze. Today over this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to run AI within a terminal. So yeah, that's true, within a terminal. Are you tired of running the prompts over the browser? So this would be a new way and very enhanced one. So you would be able practically to do whatever you would do with the prompts over the browser, you would do over the terminal. And we would be running this on a Linux terminal. And let's see what kind of capabilities and how this thing would be run. So what we're going to need for the Linux environment, Ubuntu, whatever you would prefer. And then you would be needing for installing the NPM libraries. And in this case, I'm going to use the Google Gemini CLI. So that would be installing all the packages that I'm going to need. And then I'm going to be able to run the Gemini. But before running, you would be needing for something else. So if you select the Gemini, you would have the aistudio.google.com. Here would be the place that you would be looking and generating that API key that would give you that opportunity of consuming and using prompts over the terminal. So you're going to need for that one. So what could be next? So next would be that going to the API key and then signing in with your Gmail account. And that would be all that is needed for you to have the generate API key and putting that back into the Linux. So what you need to know, you will need to know the version. So this is a version. Here we have the version. And what we are using is actual cloud-based API. And further, let's see how this would work. So what you would need, just type Gemini, and that would bring you the whole Gemini running for us, and you would be able to generate prompts within a terminal. And you see, it's already is there. So whatever you would want to have, you would have a prompts that you're able to write it here. Create a file, Python once, that allows me to pull all image files from a path. So we wanted to have this. Let's see how this would work. Yeah, it's asking us write a file, so yes would allow us. And that would be the prompt that would be generated. You see that is already created, image puller.py, so Python script that would let us pull all the image files that we have on a certain path of files. So what would be the next? Next would be you would just be catting this, opening this image puller PI, and that would give you the whole structure of the file that is using particular libraries and so on. So this would be the way how you would be using the prompts over the terminal. It's a good way. It's much suitable for all those users that would prefer this way.